Want to finally get your digital life in order? Creating folders in Windows 11 is your first step to a perfectly organized computer. Let's dive right in. The quickest way to create a new folder is by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop or within an existing folder where you want to create the new one. From the menu that appears, simply move your mouse cursor down to the new option. You'll see a secondary menu slide out to the right. Within this second menu, select Folder. Instantly, a brand new folder will appear, ready for you to give it a name. Go ahead and type in whatever you'd like to call it, for example, Documents or Photos. Once you're happy with the name, just press the Enter key on your keyboard. And there you have it. Your new folder is created and ready to start organizing your important files and documents. Now you can easily drag and drop any files or even other folders into this new location, keeping everything neat and easily accessible. This simple action is a game changer for efficient file management, ensuring your digital workspace stays tidy and your important information is always at your fingertips. Start creating folders today and experience the satisfaction of a well-organized computer. Happy organizing!